Friday, August 31st, 2018. The typical Friday afternoon car show.
Gentlemen, it's that time. We're going to be doing awards here at this time here. Let's see what we're going to do first. And before we do that, we're looking for Phyllis Curry, Janet Korsiak, driver's ticket 589476. Again, driver's ticket 589476. And driver's ticket 589514. Again, that's 589514. If you have those winning ticket numbers, or if your name's Janet Korsiak or Phyllis Curry, please come up to the DJ table to claim your door prize at this time.
It's a whole different setting I've never had before. So I don't know what I did, but yeah, this is what it was.
That 442 is nice. '61.
All right, now we're getting on awards after I got some fun.
I didn't do it, I swear. I'm not caught yet.
Now we're going to do the Cardinal here.
Oh, okay.
Where's Mr. George at?
Is that good? Can I have a bite now? No!
Hey, George, where you at, man? Yeah, don't worry about it. He's coming up here. And while we have a break in the action again, please remember tomorrow is the Durand in the Summer Car Show. We're right there downtown Durand. Again, Durand in the Summer Car Show starting at 8 o'clock in the morning. Remember, no car cruise on Monday due to Labor Day. No car cruise in Lapeer due to Labor Day. Tuesday, John's Pizzeria's car cruise, weather permitting, starting at 5:30. Thursday is Cruisin Cruise, corner of Genesee Richmond Road, starting at 6 o'clock. Then we're right back here Friday in downtown Davison. We also have the Shriners, Lady Shriners Past Tense Car Show on September 16th. Past Tense Car Show on September 16th in Lapeer. And if you want to come out to Perry, we have a car show in Perry for Perry Fest on September 15th. Again, Perry Fest Car Show, September 15th, ladies and gentlemen. Now I got George Dennis here. He's from Columbiaville. It's a 1970 Buick Electra 225. He's from Columbia, so what can you tell us about this, George? Here, right next to you. So what can you tell us about it? What can you tell me about your car?
Very nice car.
And how long have you owned it?
2 years.
And we were just talking about the color red. It's beautiful. Is it burgundy red? What do you call this?
I would call it maroon.
Maroon. See, there we go. And then, where have you taken this beautiful Buick at? Where have you taken it? Have you driven across? Did you do the promo tour this year for Back to Bricks? What'd you do? Local cruise. All right, ladies and gentlemen, give this award here to George. And this is the Cardinal Choice Award. This is being sponsored by AB Liquor Tobacco Outlet. Again, congratulations for the Cardinal Choice, sir. And also you get some Stay-Ball 360. I can use that for my generator.
All right, we need you guys up.
Let's get a picture. Oh, we gotta get this to the car here.
And I need a handshake. Put the plaque this way, hold the plaque that way. Shake in front of the plaque. Put the plaque on top.
Politician,
Put the
politician.
plaque.
Politician.
Yeah, there we go.
She's a politician. She's a politician. She's not
Yeah, hang on, I gotta get my own picture because I got a CYA
What's a CYA?
over my ass.
I'll tell us, can your own word.
No, because. One more. All right, good.
Now you want early 70s.
You know you're gonna take pictures.
Now we're going to the best of show over here. Now they got me hobbling over here, just beautiful cutlass.
Hey, I already know I'm hobbling.
I need that as much as you need. I need that. We can trade here. I can give you my knee brace.
No need to be rude.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have John and Linda Milford and a 72 volts cutlass. So what do you think about the vehicle? Who wants to talk? You or him? Him? Okay.
Nice truck.
Well, what made you decide to buy a cutlass?
Yep. It's not really link rat rod, it's close. That's where I was, yeah.
And you were in the Army. What was your job in the Army? Oh, you had a fun job. All right. And was you working the whole time in this field? Last tour. So what was your best part of this tour that you remember? There you go. Congratulations, beautiful vehicle here. And yellow, what color is this? What color yellow do you call this? I believe it's called canary yellow. All right, because it's a beautiful, it's beautiful color. I like that color. It's beautiful. All right, you got the best of show. The best of show is sponsored by car of the week is Todd Winslow's Buick GMC of Davison. Get the car of the week, and you get a Stay-Ball 360. If you live out in the country, you can use the generator, which I know you don't live in the country because you live in Burton, but yes, it will.
Snap, smell his beard. I told her a pheasant's been so flat. Not a pheasant, maybe a flyer. I want a pheasant. No.
I missed mine. Mine gone. Oh, well, it'll be back. If I break the camera down, it's your fault. Not really. Just
I'm thinking though.
That's a land yacht. It's got the turning radius of an aircraft carrier.
Let me see that.
You're good. Thank you.
Now we're heading over here to Aaron Haza. Has a 63 pickup Chevy 454. Now, I'm admiring this color here. Is this a black? What do you call this exactly?
Yeah,
It is a beautiful vehicle. Now, where'd you pick this up at?
We bought it in Indiana, and it's originally from Georgia.
And what made you decide to get this type of truck?
We were actually originally looking for a 67 to a 72, but we saw this one pop up, and we liked it.
Now, trick question here. Hey, there's a trick question. You lose your train of thought. Have you done any modifications to it?
Yeah, so we put new engine in it, obviously. It's a 454 big block, it has a 400 trans. We got a Posier end in it with a 342. We put front disc brakes on it and lowering it.
Well, this is a beautiful truck, man. Trust me. And that's congratulations. You got a truck here. You got a certificate for best in class and a book for truck night.
I have to explain the book. We were given a bunch of books, and I know tonight is truck night, and the book you have is a Cadillac book. I apologize. I guess you can call it How to Turn Your Truck into a Cadillac. So, there we go.
Yeah, that's not interesting.
What I got rain lock, the wood back here. What type of wood is back in the bed? That's what I was wanting to ask.
It's just oak.
Now, did you redo the bed, the wood yourself, or is that already been done for you?
We bought the wood by itself, it was already pre-cut, and then we put about 7 coats of everything.
That's really cool. That's what I was wanting to ask. I got rain lock. All right, both pictures.
But I did a YouTube series on it in
That's cool.
I did this.
Suicide doors. Friday
Now
night
we're going to our
cruise.
Survivor of the Mark. Oh, yeah. Talk like that. We don't now. We got Mark Polk. He's from Hadley. It's a 52 international. So what can you tell us about your vehicle? Because this is really a unique vehicle.
I've seen it uptown before.
Yeah, that nighttime air conditioning, yeah, that's interesting air conditioning, yeah. Now, what made you decide to keep all these years?
I like trucks and internationally distributed.
I like it. I like your lights up here. Reminds me about the famous farm truck we used to have. So congratulations. He gets a Survivor Award. He gets a book called Mercedes. Song by Janis Joplin.